So now we come to question number 14. Okay. So now you see here what is given there. Look into your book, page number 59. The perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC intersects BC at D such that DB is equal to 3CD. So there is a figure which is given there in your figure 2.55. So look into the figure. Prove that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Now what is the figure that is given to us? This is what is the figure which is given to us, right? Now here you see what else is given. Now in triangle ABC, this is given to us, right? In triangle ABC, okay, AD is perpendicular where? On BC, right? AD is perpendicular on BC, right? Now BD is equal to 3CD. This is already given to us, right? Now BC, now if BD is 3CD, now what is BC? BC means CD plus BD. Okay, BC is this part. So BC means CD and plus BD. Right. So what is the value of BD which is given to us? BD is given us as 3CD. So what do we get ultimately? We get 4CD. Okay. 3CD plus 1CD is equals to 4CD. Right. So now what will be CD? Okay. Let us find out CD. What will be CD? It will be 1/4 of BC. Right? It will be 1/4 of BC and BD will be how much? BD was 3 CD, right? So BD will be 3/4 BC. Right? Did you understand how did we get it? See here, CD plus 3CD is equals to 4CD, right? So now see BC equals to how much? 4CD, right? So now when we find out CD will be, this is 4CD is equals to BC, right? So BC is having a 1 here, right? So how much is CD? CD is 1/4 BC, right? This is how we have found out BC, right? Next for BD, how did we find out BD? Now BD given to us is 3CD, right? Now what is the value of CD? Now CD is 3 into 1/4 BC, right? So how much it comes? It comes 3/4 BC, right? So this is how we have found out CD and BD. Clear? So now next what we are going to do is that in right angle triangle ABD, we have, what do we have? We have ABD, right? So this is hypotenuse. AB square is equals to AD square, perpendicular square, AD square plus BD square. This is base, right? BD square. This is equation 1, right? Next we have, sorry, this will not be your equation 1. Here we have to find out AD square. AD square will be how much for us? AD square will be AB square minus BD square. This is equation 1 for us, right? Next, again in triangle ACD or ADC, what do we get? We have AC square is equals to AD square plus CD square. So now when I find out AD square, how much is AD square here? AD square will be how much? AC square minus CD square. This is equation 2 for me, right? Now next part is what is there in the next part? In the next part, from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and equation 2, from 1 and 2, what can I derive? From 1 and 2, I get AB square minus BD square is equal to AC square minus CD square, right? This two. Okay. Now, what do we get here? Now you see here, what is the value for? Now I bring this AB square and AC square together and BD square minus CD square, right? So now we have to put the value because we have the value for both of them. What was the value for BD square? The value for BD square was how much? 3 by 4 BC square. Sorry, BC, right? And the value for this will be BD, so it is a square here. So now what is the value for CD we have got? We have got the value for CD as 1 by 4 BC square, right? This is what we have got as the value. Now when we solve this, what do we get here? We get here 3 square means how much? 9. 3 3s are 9. 4 square means how much? 4 4s are 16. So 9 by 16 BC square, right? And here 1 square is 1 only and 4 4s are 16 BC square. Now when I solve this, what do I get? Right? If I do the LCM, for me the denominators are same. So LCM will be 16 only and 9 minus 1. Right? 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 BC square. Now 8 2s are 16. How much we got? We got 1 by 2 BC square. Right? So after getting 1 by 2 BC square, now what do I have here? Here I had AB square minus AC square, right? So here AC square. So now AB square minus AC square. Okay. So now this 2 comes here. What will be BC? BC square will be how much? 2AB square minus AC square. Right? So now when I solve it, 2AB square minus 2AC square. Right? So now I bring 2AB square this side. 2AB square that have been asked for us to prove minus equals to 2AC square minus plus BC square, right? So this is what is asks to us to prove. Is it clear? So this is what question number 14. Next we come to question number 15.